Hey everyone, welcome back to ITMaster, your go-to place for clear, no-fluff tech and design tutorials. Today, we're breaking down the differences between Illustrator and Photoshop, so you can finally pick the right tool for your creative work. Illustrator versus Photoshop, which is right for you? Welcome to the world of vector graphics. Vector graphics are made from paths, not pixels. That means they can scale to any size without losing quality. Whether you're designing a tiny icon or a billboard, vector graphics stay sharp. Adobe Illustrator is the go-to software for creating vector graphics. It's trusted by professionals for its precision and flexibility. Some standout features. Pen tool, for creating custom shapes and smooth curves. Shape tools, for quick, geometric designs. Color palettes and swatches, for consistent color schemes and brand identity. Illustrator versus Photoshop, understanding the differences. The key difference? Illustrator is for vectors, Photoshop is for pixels. Think of it this way. In Illustrator, you draw shapes with math. Scale them up, and they stay crisp. In Photoshop, you're working with pixels. Scale too far, and things get blurry. Example, resize a logo in Illustrator, it stays razor sharp. Try that in Photoshop, and you'll start seeing jagged edges or blur. Zoom in on a vector logo, clean and smooth. Zoom in on a raster logo, pixelated and messy. When to use Illustrator, design scenarios. Illustrator shines in projects where clarity and scalability matter. Use it for logos, you want them to look good on a business card and a billboard. Icons and illustrations, simple or complex, they'll always be crisp. Typography, full control over every curve and letter form. Real-world uses. Branding projects that require scalability. Designing responsive website graphics. Building clean, modern UI for mobile apps. Bonus, vector graphics equals perfect for high-resolution printing. When to use Photoshop, design scenarios. Photoshop is built for detailed, pixel-perfect editing. Use it for photo editing, retouching skin, adjusting color, fixing lighting. Compositing, blending images and adding effects. Texturing and 3D effects, making things look real. Also great for creating web banners with photos and text. Designing social media graphics with visual flair. Building mock-ups with photorealistic details. Photoshop gives you control over every pixel, great for realism and image manipulation. Choosing the right tool, a practical guide. Here's how to decide. Ask yourself, use Illustrator if. Use Photoshop if. Are you working with scalable graphics? Yes, no. Do you need detailed photo editing? No, yes. Are you creating logos, icons, or typography? Yes, no. Is your output mostly digital photos or web images? No, yes. Tip: you don't have to choose just one. Many designers use both. For example, design your logo in Illustrator, then bring it into Photoshop for mockups. Illustrator and Photoshop each have their strengths. Knowing when to use which one will save you time, boost your quality, and make your design process smoother. Master both, and you'll have the flexibility to handle any creative challenge. Choose the right tool for the right task: Illustrator for clean, scalable design, Photoshop for detailed image work. Master both, and you'll level up your creative game. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design insights from ITMaster.